Feed the animals time. There you go. Feed the animals. Yeah, we know you want your goodies. Come on. Feed the animals. Goodies. Come on, feed the animals. Turkeys. You want some goodies? Get you some water here in a minute. Turkey want some goodies? Turkey want some goodies? Big old turkeys. Look, we feed the animals. They want their goodies. Nom nom. Nom nom. Feed the animals. They just want their goodies. Hey, you get out of here. You animals. You animals better not be in here hiding. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Big old turkey. We got you goodies. What else you want? Happy animals? Happy animals? Happy animals? Come on, let's go. Let's go see the animals. Come on, walk. Let's go get them some goodies. Come on. Let's go see the alpaca. The happy alpaca. And the happy, hungry alpaca. Here, let's feed the alpaca. Num num. Get away! You trying to get my baby? Stop it! It just likes you. Bryce, it likes you. Up. You're all right. Dada's got you. You're all right. This thing. Come on. Goodies? Nom nom. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's get away from these birds. Let's get away from these wild birds. Let's see if they follow you. Come on, let's go get them some Cheetos. Want to feed them some Cheetos?
No.
Cheetos? You're all right. Dada's right here. Stop.
No.
Oh, you don't like the animals? Are you scared of the animals, Brat Baby? You're all right. Dada's right here. Stop. Walk. Walk before you hurt yourself.
No, bye-bye.
We're not going bye-bye. We're going to go see the animals.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Oh, let's go feed the turkeys. Okay, stay right there. Leave it. Stay. We're mud. Stop. I said no. Did I just tell you? Stop. Stop it, Bryce. You're all right. Want to feed the animals? Want to give him some goodies? Look, there he is. He wants goodies. Come on, go feed him some of these. Look, there he just wants your attention. Come on, go. We got some snacks for him.
I don't want to.
Okay, you want to feed them? Here, grab some. Okay, come on, hold it. Wait. Look, guys. Watch. Yep. Yep. Mmm. Give me some goodies. Oh, you guys want some of these? Oh, look. Look, Bryce.
No.
Look, they all want goodies. They want more Num Num. Bryce, they want more goodies. Oh, look, the goat wants some. The goat wants to know what's going on over here. You're all right. Dada's right here. Dada's right here with the baby. Oh, Dada's right here. I know he's a mean little goat. Look at the turkey. We got the animals. Look. Look at it. Now all of them want to come. They all want goodies. Feed the animals. You're all right. Get back. Look, the turkey wants some. Look, the turkey said, give me some of those. The turkey like that? It's a little animal. You're all right. Get back. You're all right.
It's back. No.
Oh, right. You're just terrified of this thing, aren't you? Watch out. Come on, get back. You're scaring the baby. You're scaring the baby. You're scaring the baby. Look at the, that's a chicken. Look, it's a chicken. We got a chicken right there. This is a goose. This is a goose. And that's a turkey. That's a turkey. We got a goat. We got a goat. Look, we got some baby goats. Come on, Ducky, get back. Oh, Ducky. Look at what you're doing to the baby. You're scaring the baby. Hey, you gonna bite him? No. Stop trying to bite him. Go. Get out of here. Dada just saved you. Dada saved you. Hey, stop. Hey, stop being a boy. 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 Stop trying to pick on the baby. Stop trying to pick on the baby.